Hello everyone, welcome back to a new tutorial video on how to change Bing search to Google and make Google the default search engine. Before starting this video, please make sure to subscribe and do press the notification bell icon to get updated. So let's get this video started. First of all, you open web browser on your PC where Bing is current search engine of your web browser. As I am going with the Microsoft Edge for this. Here you can see the three dotted vertical line on top of right corner. You click on it. Here you can see the option of settings. You click on it. You can see the menu section where you can make changes. You click on privacy, search and services. You scroll to the very end. You can see the option of address bar and search. You click on it. Here you can see the search engine used in the address bar. Beside of it, you can see the drop down menu. You click on it. You can choose any option that you want to be your search engine. For this video, we will be choosing Google. So you click on Google. The settings will be updated automatically. Now the Google will be your default search engine. Hope this video is fruitful for you all on how to change Bing search to Google and make Google the default search engine. Thank you.